Good day, everyone. I am Jonalie Valdosola, together with my partner, Archeline Delicano, and now we are going to answer in CAF2, Chapter 5. Without further ado, let's start. The role of photosynthesis are plants use it make food animals get their food from plants. It produces oxygen which is needed in respiration to release energy. It is responsible for forming fossil fuels and it removes carbon dioxide from the air. The chlorophyll molecule consists of a natural magnesium atom surrounded by a nitrogen-containing structure called a porphyrin ring. Attached to the ring is two long carbon-hydrogen side chain. Variations are due to minor modification of a certain side groups. The importance of chlorophyll is a key component in the process of photosynthesis, which sustains plant life and produces oxygen for the entire planet. Although microscopic in size, chloroplasts like this have a big role to play in the health of the planet.
Hi everyone, let me introduce myself first. I am Marcelin Strabella Delicano, and for today's video is I'm going to continue to discuss the difference between chlorophyll A and B. In terms of how they contribute to photosynthesis, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, it differs from one another. While chlorophyll B serves as a secondary pigment by accumulating energy and transferring it to the chlorophyll A. Chlorophyll A is the most crucial pigment used in the process of photosynthesis. So what is chlorophyll A? Chlorophyll A, it refers to the green pigment which helps in absorbing light and providing energy in the process of photosynthesis. It is present in algae, cyanobacteria, and all in plants. Chlorophyll A is regarded as the most essential pigment for plants as it plays an important role in photosynthesis. It helps in the electrons to transport chain during photosynthesis. As a result, it is possible to state that chlorophyll A is a primary function to transfer energy from the orange, red, violet, and blue portion of the spectrum to the reaction center. Later, it contributes 2 electrons to the chain of electron. It serves as the primary donor of electrons for transport additionally. For cellular function, organism use from the sun. And what is chlorophyll B? A green pigment called chlorophyll B, it aids in photosynthesis by capturing light, energy and transmitting it to the chlorophyll A. Green algae and plants both contain it. Violet and red colors are produced using wavelengths respectively. It emits a color that is yellow, green, and most land plants have a chlorophyll B. And the photosynthesis of 680 light trapping antenna. The only structured difference between it and chlorophyll A is that chlorophyll B has an aldehyde group in the 7th position of the chlorine ring. Therefore, we can conclude that chlorophyll B is the primary function is to broaden the range of the nutrients that organisms can absorb. This basically enables organisms to convert more solar energy into chemical energy by allowing them to absorb more energy. 5. Discuss the role of porphyrin ring in plants. These molecules will allow the cellular machinery to attach and use the porphyrin. Porphyrins can also absorb a certain wavelength of light, especially when combined with different ions. Porphyrins are responsible for both the red color of blood and the green color of plants. Molecular components that are blue stand for the base level aromatic ring that porphyrin molecules in general. The bonds and molecule in back will become complex, eventually replacement, flanking chain. The cellular processes to use these molecules apparatus to connect and utilize the porphyrin. In addition, porphyrins can be a certain range of light wavelengths, particularly when linked to a various ion. 6. Describe how light is absorbed by the leaves. The ratio of light scattering structural elements like air spaces and water-air interfaces to light absorbing molecules in the leaf determine how much light is absorbed. Chlorophyll and carotenoids are the main photosynthetic pigments that strongly absorb light in the visible spectrum. 7. What is the role of thylakoid in photosynthesis? The thylakoid is the site of photochemical or light-dependent photosynthesis reactions. Chlorophyll in the thylakoid membrane absorbs sunlight energy and participates in the formation of ATP or adenosine triphosphate and NADPH or nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate in the light reaction of photosynthesis via electron transport chains.